Welcome to New Associate Digital Marketing course. In India, companies like Accenture hire for new associate digital marketing experts. Accenture currently is hiring for their location, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. In today's discussion, we are going to discuss about new associate digital marketing course and what kind of skill sets you need to know in order to work in a company like Accenture in India. So new associate digital marketing course is specially designed for students and working professionals to work efficiently as a new associate digital marketing expert in the industry. This course covers all the below mentioned requirements for the role of new associate digital marketing expert. So in order to become a digital marketing expert, you need to understand e-commerce strategy. Once you learn the digital marketing e-commerce strategy, you can become a new associate working in a company where Accenture is currently hiring for their location at Bangalore. The qualifications for this kind of course is you can have any graduation. You can get started as a fresher from 0 to 1 years of experience, followed by you need to know a lot of things. Before getting into the digital marketing things, let us understand what kind of expectations these big companies have with the digital marketing experts and what kind of operations they are into. In today's business environment, growth isn't just about building value. It's fundamental to long-term business survival. So how do organizations sustain themselves? The key is a new operating model, one that's anchored around the customer and propelled by intelligence to deliver exceptional experiences across the enterprise at speed and at scale. Digital marketing expert will deliver breakthrough business outcomes for clients by harnessing talent, data, and intelligence to revolutionize their operating models. Operations is one of the four services that make up Accenture. The others are strategy, consulting, interactive, and technology. So what does a digital marketing expert do? The digital marketing expert at a company like Accenture works on software and platform vertical, which helps the world's leading platform companies accelerate, scale, and improve their businesses as their most trusted, innovative, comprehensive, and experienced partner. Digital marketing experts work as a part of digital marketing team to understand and help clients market their products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phone apps, display advertising, e-commerce online shopping website, and any other digital medium. The team also leverages popular tools such as Adobe Creative Suite, Workfront, work management software, HTML, JavaScript, Atlassian, Jira, etc. And all of these tools you're going to learn within the course. The e-commerce strategy team focuses on generating business as well as boosting a specific brand. The team is responsible for providing guidance and advice regarding the creation and implementation of an integrated e-commerce strategy that supports the overall business or enterprise. The team also works in the area of recommending sales-focused search marketing, category management, merchandising, search optimization, including advising on optimizing organic search for customer algorithms. They also recommend digital marketing plans, advise on platforms, and logistic support ecosystems. Support with the adaptation of business case and playbook and scaling markets. So what do we learning in the course? So in this course, you will learn to develop the ability to perform under pressure. You will learn the ability to establish strong client relationship. You will learn the ability to work well in a team. You will learn the ability to manage multiple stakeholders, and you will learn to maintain how to meet the deadlines. In this position, you will have the following roles and responsibilities where you will be interacting with your team and under the supervision of your supervisor. You will also be giving instructions in order to carry out decision-oriented and impactful digital marketing strategies. You will also be learning how to be well-versed with basic statistics analysis so that you can have a day-to-day business analysis and use it, and you can discuss that with the stakeholders about how to optimize the digital marketing schemes and strategies. Followed by you will be working on project members in order to deliver the customer requirements in an agile approach. So that's what we will be learning within the course. So this course you can get started for free on Hackvida one-to-one as self-learning program. This course will include the following topics within your one-to-one account, where you can quickly get started with data structures and algorithms, software testing for programmers, mobile application security, chatbot, agile development, data analysis with R and Python, followed by data analysis in a proper approach so that you can use it for digital marketing strategies, and then how to analyze big data and how to use big data for digital marketing. So this complete course in an instructor-led fashion is available in a 10-month regular program available on weekdays and weekends. The course fee is 82,600 rupees in an instructor-led or a classroom training program. You can also get started with the basics of these courses for free on Hackveda one-to-one. In order to get started with the free training, you can quickly click on start free training on the link given below in the description. So once you reach out here, you're going to register for your course, where you can quickly define the name, Devanshu Shukla. I'm going to define my email ID, which is ds@hackveda.ca. I'm going to define my number, 9654825370. Finally, I'm going to register for the course. Once you register for the course, you will be redirected to Hackveda one-to-one account, where you're going to log in and get started with digital marketing and automation course. So we are going to log into our account, ds@hackveda.ca, followed by the password. Once we log in, we are going to get the list of courses as mentioned on the description. Now, once you reach here, you can complete all of these courses, but initially you can quickly get started with digital marketing and automation course. On digital marketing and automation course, you're going to get sequential topics. We're going to start from identify and explore digital marketing strategy for food technology business. Then you will get into how to identify your dream 100 competitors and how to identify where your customers are available. Then you will learn to identify your competitors' ad strategies. You will learn how to create hook, story, and offers, followed by you'll understand how to beat social media algorithms and get huge customers on your funnels. Followed by you're going to identify and implement digital marketing strategy for digital printing business. Then you will get into identify customer goals and get huge customer traffic. You will build a digital marketing tool to use Google APIs, part 1 and 2. You will be building Twitter automation programs. You will be building website data extraction and email extraction tools. Then you will be able to create bulk emailing tools for digital marketing. Followed by you're going to automate digital marketing for EdTech business. You can perform data extraction using Selenium for EdTech business, followed by LinkedIn marketing, Twitter automation marketing, Google business page automation marketing. And you're also going to understand how to overcome competitors and find B2B customers and how to find B2B clients using tools like Bombora. So this is what you're going to get within the course. So you can quickly get started with a free self-learning training. Also, you can get trained in an instructor-led fashion for the duration of 10 months and get placed at a company like Accenture. This program is a 100% placement guaranteed program. For queries, reach out to our website, hackveda.in, or you can call us at the following information, 27297608, or else you can also call us on 965482537, which is our official counseling number. Thank you so much for watching.